Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Seems a little complex to me. Let's see how it goes. So I'll begin with obviously the star, but first I'll make those div type things and I'll use them to create that T, and later on I'll see how we can do the work of that shield like structure. I'm out of ideas how to describe it. So first of all, this color, paste, then position, fixed, okay. Now A, which will be, let me first switch on the difference. So A will have a background color of this one, right, and it will have a width of I think 100 and a height of around 10. I know the values are different than how much it is supposed to be. So 10, 20, wait. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. A little bit downwards, so 110. Maybe 105. 6, 7. Yeah, 7 is perfect. Here we need to do slight alterations. Yeah. Now the size will be around 60 and it will have a border radius of 5 pixels. Yeah, it's perfect as we can see. It is perfectly where it should be. Now I would be using square brackets B, and we need to first rotate it 90 degrees, and the margin will be, the top margin will be the same, so 107. Okay, wait, it will change a little bit. 162. Yeah. 107. 117. 127. 137. Okay. 137. 138. 139. 140. Okay, apparently we have to increase the width. You may get confused that why I'm saying width. We have rotated it 90 degrees, so here we need to change the width instead of the height. So I'll take it to 70. Okay, now it's a little bit 152. 162 is too much, so 157. Yeah. So we have made that T. Now it's turn for, we can like bring it in a single line. Now I'll use body to make at least a rough shape of the shield. I have an idea. Let's see if it works. I never actually used it that much, so it's a little bit rusty, but let's see if it works. I'll use this to create a circle at the back end, like it will be even behind the body, and later I'll create all these sharp edges using the body. So radial, gradient, and it will be circle. I think it will be like at 50%, 50%, and Now we have to give the color, which is this one. Paste it, and I'll give an approximation of 50 pixel only, and again the same color and 0. What happened? Did I make a mistake somewhere? Okay, wait. I had to use the other color. This one. Well, it's still giving us the wrong output. Let's see. Circle at this. Maybe we have to edit it. Okay, let me first finish with the body. I'll see this later. So body will have a background color of this one, and margin, I'd like to give it did I give the wrong color? No. Okay, the body has to come afterwards. It should be after the star maybe. Wait, I understood why HTML didn't work. I had to remove this. Okay, so now we can see it here. Maybe increase it a little, 60. Yeah, and so in the percentage, maybe 45. Yeah, pretty perfect. Now we have to add the position fixed here instead of there. Okay, so almost there. Now I'll write body. So body will have again a background of this color. Then I'll use margin 100. Maybe 100 isn't required. Maybe I'll go with, yeah, from top we need quite a less one, maybe 75. And here we need to increase it, so 120, 30, 40. Yeah, 140 is perfect. Now we need to use clip path. I'll later on give it the proper location. Talking about the T, so polygon 0, 0, then comes, I think it will 100% and 0. Now I'll give the middle point, which I think will be 50% and 50%. Is it? No, it's wrong. It should be something like that though. Okay, let me first now go downwards. So it will be 50% and 100%. We need to take it a little bit along. Not much, just a little bit. 45, 44, 43, 42. Okay, 43, 42, 41. Now it will be around 100% and 75% maybe. 80? No, 70. 1, 2, 3. 65. 66. And on the other side, 0 and 66%. And the margin will now be changed to, let me try 50. I'll make both 50 to 50. Okay, it appeared. 40. Yeah, 40 is perfect. And instead of this 50, 20, 30. Yeah, 30 is perfect. And now we need to, like, this will have the value 30 most probably, and the other one will have a property where it will have 40. Can I try 50? No. 40, 30. 20, 25, 50, 60, 70. Okay, the problem is we do not need to have this one. Instead, we have to use some other values. I'll take an estimation 20% and 20%. No. A little bit lower, 16. Yeah. Just one more point and we are done. So 80% and 16. Yeah, good. Now let's submit it. And it's a 100% match. Good. I know it was a little bit lengthy, but I tried my best to make it as small as possible. So that's it for today's video. Wait, let me get the final score. I forgot. Okay. 619.31. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.